Welcome to Rookies.tv for an Amazon products review. In order to find the best laptop cooling pads, we thoroughly scrutinized dozens of models from multiple manufacturers by comparing their designs, specifications, and durability. We awarded bonus points to models that have adjustable heights and viewing angles, that way, you can have a more ergonomic setup at your desk. We also included a few models that are equipped with some USB ports for connecting accessories like webcams or recharging your devices. Check out our best laptop cooling pad picks below that are guaranteed to keep your laptop cool and you comfortable in the process. Number 1. Thermaltake Massive Laptop Cooling Pad. Main features. Number of fans, 2. Fan speed, up to 800 revolutions per minute. Compatibility, up to 16-inch laptops. About this item. Supports up to 17 notebook computer with aluminum surface. Supreme ventilation, built-in large 200mm fan not only enhances airflow but also offers the best performance on heat dissipation. Simple and easy interface, the fan speed controller and power switch are located at the side of the cooling pad, which enables an intuitive fan speed adjustment. Turbo on 800 RPM, ergonomic concept, the adjustable stand of massive A21 offers users the best visual angle for comfortable viewing height and a better gaming experience. 4 adjustable angles, 15, 30, 45, and Number 2 Kootek Laptop Cooling Pad Main features. Number of fans, 5, fan speed, center fan 1000 RPM, outer fans 2000 RPM, compatibility, up to 17-inch laptops. Super quiet fans create a noise-free and interference-free environment for you. 5 built-in fans, big fan, 5.9-inch, small fans, 2.76-inch, with blue LEDs, 2 on/off switches to control 5 fans and LEDs simultaneously. Simply press the switch to select 1 fan working, 4 fans working, or all 5 working together. Dual USB hub allows connecting more USB devices. Ergonomic stand with 6 adjustable height settings to play games or watch movies at the most comfortable angle. 2 stoppers on the front of the surface to prevent the laptop from falling off, and keep the 12 to 17-inch laptop cool, such as Apple MacBook Pro Air, HP, Alienware, Dell, Lenovo, Asus, etc. 5 laptop cooling pad. Shop now. Number of fans, 5. Fan speed, center fan 1200 RPM, outer fans 2400 RPM. Compatibility, up to 15-inch laptops. High-speed fan TopMate Gaming Laptop Cooling Pad has 5 fans, the 4 outer fans and the large center super strong wind fan. It can prevent laptop router Xbox PS4 network device from overheating under different use situation. Ergonomic design. The notebook cooler has a unique design and adjustable tilting. 5 heights adjustment allow you to raise your viewing and typing experience, thus relieving the pain on your neck and back. Non-slip baffle. There is a hinged flap on the laptop cooler that you can flip up to keep the laptop from sliding down towards you. Switch control. This has a small LCD screen and a button control panel on the computer chill mat. The screen displays information about various wind speeds, and buttons let you switch different modes. It provides 6 wind speeds and 3 fan operation modes. Pretty LED light. The laptop cooling stand has blue LEDs that illuminates it while working. It looks nice, especially in dark conditions. That can greatly enhance your gaming experience. Number 4. KLIM Ultimate Laptop Cooling Pad. Number of fans, 1. Fan speed, up to 750 revolutions per minute. Compatibility, up to 19-inch laptops. White check mark, no more overheating. Its powerful and impressive 200mm fan with a speed of 750 RPM will generate an airflow that will cool your laptop down in record time. White check mark, cooling in style and silence. We designed it to be as quiet as can be, you will barely notice it even at maximum out. White check mark, compatible plus built to last. You also got to choose between 4 different inclinations with its lower support. Moreover, it will perfectly handle your laptop's weight and even sustain shocks with its metal grid panel. The KLIM Ultimate is truly built to last. White check mark, protect your investment. This cooling pad is an investment equals greater than no components overheating equals greater than maximizes the life expectancy of your PC and boosts its performances. Black check mark, bonus, we offer for you for free the ebook, 7 Tips to Keep Your Computer Alive and Maximize Its Performance by email after your purchase. Number 5. Targus A55 Lap Chill Mat. Number of fans, 2. Fan speed, up to 2,500 revolutions per minute. Compatibility, up to 17-inch laptops. About this item. Fans are powered using a standard USB connection that can be connected to your laptop or computer using a mini USB cable. Includes a USB hub to help share the USB connectivity used to power the built-in fans. Dual fans help keep you and your laptop cool. A built-in 4-port hub allows connection to peripherals. Adjustable height, 4 levels, lets you use as a laptop stand with external keyboard, while the bottom ledge keeps the laptop in place. Velcro straps keep peripheral cables neat and tidy. Sturdy, durable construction. Thanks for watching the video. For buying, link in description.